Welcome, grade 7s, to No More Hard Maths. I've heard many of you are struggling with a few topics, and one of the biggest is fractions. Lucky for you, that's exactly what we'll be focusing on today. I'm here to help you understand the topics that are often confusing and bring you up to speed. So, let us look at fractions made simple, grade 7s. Now, what are fractions? Fractions are number expressions that represent parts of a whole. And what would a whole be? It would be anything from a circle or a rectangle or a square. I just want to draw um, one for you. So, in this case, we have a circle which is a whole, and we would have a rectangle. There we have a circle and a rectangle. So as they say, fractions are number expressions that represent parts of a whole. So we would divide this whole into two, and we'll also divide this whole into two, right? So one is a part of a whole, the other one is also a part of the whole. One is part of the whole, the other one is also part of the whole. So now we can also divide this into more parts, and remember that they are equal parts, right? So this would be one of the whole, the other one of a whole, the other part of a whole, and the other part of a whole. So that is why they say fractions are number expressions that represent parts of a whole, right? Now, when we go to the second part, it says a fraction consists of two parts: the numerator, which indicates how many parts we are looking at, and the denominator, which shows how many parts make up the whole. So the numerator will always be at the top, and the denominator will always be at the bottom. The numerator is a part of the whole, and the denominator is all parts that are divided to represent the whole, right? And in this case, it would be 4. Now, let's take, for example, in the fraction 1 over 4, right? I will just write it down here, 1 over 4. Now, this is a fraction that is 1 over 4. 1 is the numerator, the part we are looking at, and 4 is the denominator, the whole divided into 4 equal parts. So here is an example of 1 over 4. We have 4 equal parts here, which are or which represent the denominator, which is 4. And then to get a part of the whole, we'll get only the 1 over the whole part. So meaning we will just color out this section to show that it represents the 1 over 4, correct? Yes. So yeah, so here we showing that we are representing just the one of the 1 over the 4 um, um, wholes, right? So I would just like you to give me an answer of this one. If we color this whole part, what would the fraction of this part be? And let me know in the comments below. Yeah, and let me know in the comments below. So that is it for today. I just hope that you now understand what fractions are. Follow for more grade 7 maths explained simply. In the next video, we'll be doing examples on fractions, some more examples on fractions. And please let me know if there's anything you still don't understand, and we will tackle it together. Thanks, grade sevens. Till next time, enjoy maths.